Hi, my name is Drew Herman with Joyful Dirt. While everybody else was meeting girls and having a good time in college, I got a degree in botany. The last several years I have spent farming vegetables professionally, and I spend most of my time trying to understand plant chemistry and plant growth. One of our key ingredients is mycorrhiza. What is mycorrhiza and what is it good for? What is mycorrhiza? Mycorrhiza is actually a fungus, and there's several of them. Just like humans have used mushrooms for thousands of years to cure ailments and diseases, plants also use mushrooms and their partnerships to cure ailments and diseases. They will trade directly to plants antibiotics and antifungals in exchange for sugars and starches that the plants photosynthesize that the funguses cannot acquire on their own. This mycorrhiza will help in times of stress where a plant's immune system is suppressed because there's no water available. This commonly happens in houseplants. A partnership with a mycorrhiza can help that plant hold on in a time of stress and absorb more nutrients when the rain events do come. That's you with the watering can, full of joyful dirt.